Prasad Patel, and at Ushva, we're working with the vision of fast forwarding the world's transition into sustainable and connected infrastructure. And to achieve this, we built a plethora of IoT devices and software, and using both of which we provide solutions. So, for our work, we have won multiple national and international awards. We have been working with the United Nations on multiple energy optimization projects, as well as we have been awarded and funded by Department of Telecommunication India, as well as Ministry of Housing and Urban Affairs. And we have been doing this since last 8 years. So when we look at multiple industries, okay, the major problem is a lot of resources get wasted because there is either no information or delayed information from each business asset, and this has eventually led to slow growth as well as large losses. So we started exploring different current solutions, uh, and in which we identified that most of the solutions are white label solutions with limited applicability. For example, a particular hardware and software is applicable only in energy or only in water. But then when you as an industry look at technology, you would want to implement that across multiple different applications: energy, water, machines, environment monitoring, uh, your warehouse management, supply chain. Okay, because of such limited tech, there has been a slower adoption of IoT. Now, what we developed and what we proposed, and now also quite out there in the market, a hardware and software which is made in India, completely customizable. We have designed a hardware platform and a software platform which is application agnostic, and it is highly scalable. So basically our offering allows users to engage with a single technology provider and the opportunity to work with a single platform, leading to lower implementation cost, time, and efforts, along with benefits of economies of scale. So here on screen, you can have a look at a typical architecture. So on the leftmost side, we have all the field equipments, be it your manufacturing machines, your energy meters, your water or gas meters, be it any sensors, be it fuel dispensers. Those equipments are connected with an IoT device, something that's like this, that's in my hand right now. Okay, very small. There are different variants as well. This device collects data, processes data, stores data, and then transmits data to certain cloud-based servers or on-premise servers, which has an application which runs multiple analytics. It shows you different trends. It gives you notification if certain criticality is breached. It also gives you an opportunity to control and schedule your equipment remotely. So this is basic IoT. Now, today I would want to run you through possible ways and domains for resource optimization. Second, the possible solutions around that. Third, what all benefits can you get internally by implementing such technology? And lastly, possible benefits via government and global organizations that you can avail. So I'll be talking in four steps. First, smart energy. So in smart energy, there are solutions such as smart metering, smart energy management for factories as well as other commercial places, IoT solutions for electrical panel to avoid fire-based incidents, smart power plant monitoring, which certain people amongst you might have installed on your rooftops. And lastly, smart solutions for HVAC systems. Okay, and we have deployed the solutions across ESL, Coca-Cola, Mahindra, Tiwari Brothers, and the idea is to achieve reduction in energy consumption via optimizing your consumption side as well as helping you in reducing the fines that you pay to your discoms right now. Okay, for which we deploy smart devices onto your electrical panels, uh, as well as onto the different machines having individual energy meters. Second, we will be talking about smart water. So again, in this, we'll be looking at smart water meters. Second, IoT telemetry systems for flow meters. So I believe in one of the previous questions, we were talking about CGWA. So we provide IoT devices to ensure very swift data transfer to CGWA servers. Along with that, we also focus on water quality monitoring for wastewater treatment, ETP, STP plant treatment, wherein the data gets synced with pollution control board, be it CPCB or SPCB, and help you meet various government compliances. And then lastly, water tank management, wherein we not only monitor the level of the water, we also automate the operating of water pumps, and the whole infrastructure is wireless. There's no wire being pulled in any of the activities. And this similar, all of these solutions have been deployed across GOBP fuel stations, TCS, Ultratech, various airports, Tata Motors, Delhi Development Authority. Third, we'll be talking about smart assets. So in this, we implement solutions such as smart oil level monitoring system. So for example, a lot of you would be using diesel generators. So this solution keeps a tab on the level of diesel available, and it also auto identifies if there is a fuel theft situation. It informs you upfront in terms of when the refill is required, and you can calibrate those criticalities basis your infrastructure, your sourcing speed. Then we have temperature and humidity monitoring or other ambient condition monitoring solutions. We provide smart factory solutions wherein your manufacturing machines can be brought online. Let's say there are 100 different machines across various facility of yours. All of those can be brought online, and you can one monitor the uptime, downtime, understand the energy monitoring on each machine, and understand the health of the machines. You can remotely operate the machines and eventually increase your uptime, okay, leading to higher revenue and lower costs. Okay, again, diesel generator monitoring, wind machine monitoring, and such solutions have been deployed across Schneider Electric, L&T, Weltec, Vestas, Thermax. On the right, we're showing different types of devices that we provide. And lastly, smart mobility and safety. So GPS tracking, GPS fuel tracking, smart fuel dispensers, which is being used across multiple automobile OEMs for internal testing, wherein they want fixed amount of fuel to be dispensed across different assembly lines. Then we provide smart solutions for smart EV charging stations. We provide safety solutions using radar, lidar sensors, and gas detection. And such solutions are deployed across Indian Railways, KEC International, Mahindra. So if you see, a lot of our existing clients are automobile uh, manufacturers as well as automobile ancillaries, wherein they're using it across energy monitoring and management to reduce their electricity bills, to improve their energy efficiency scenario, as well as on the water front, on their machine front, to bring in digitization and increase their optimization. Now here, I just wanted to show you various pictures of installations, actual devices. So just the device, then device on fuel dispensers, on-field flow meters, energy management box. And again, we provide dashboards. These dashboards can be created based on your requirement. And the idea is, if you have a single facility or multiple facilities, we will provide you with a virtual control room for any and every equipment that is out there. Molding machines, forging machines, packaging machines, chiller plants, electrical panels, energy meters, water meters, pumps, everything and anything can be connected, brought online, and can be controlled remotely in sync with everything that is out there. And this can lead to cost savings of uh, 10 to 30% depending on the condition of your plant, and it can also help you increase your production by reducing the downtime. So now coming to the final topic of possible benefits via government and global organizations. So primarily we work with a lot of companies in helping them meet various government compliances. The first one being the compliance by Central Groundwater Authority (CGWA), wherein any of you guys who are using groundwater has to give live data to the water authority. So we provide hardware and software solutions which is very plug and play with any of the flow meters which have been installed across our facilities, and all the compliance will be taken care of in a very plug and play manner. Secondly, if you're using ETP, STP plants, you are mandatorized to send data to pollution control board. So we help you with the same as well, be it TOD, BOD, pH data, everything will be taken care of from a single technology provider. Second, on financial benefits. So maybe some of you guys might know of carbon credits. wherein by bringing in energy optimizations, you can earn certain credits, and then you can sell those credits to gain financially. Uh, Indian government under Bureau of Energy Efficiency has started one such scheme called Perform Achieve Trade. It's currently in its sixth cycle, and this is how it works. You define once you enroll, you define a target of energy reduction, energy consumption reduction into your facility. Okay, and you keep a tab on the energy consumption and create audited reports. If you achieve your targets, you get certain certificates, and you have achieved those targets by making certain capital and operational expenditure. So whether the credits or not, you are anyways saving on the costs, which has a certain ROI. But by attaining the target, you also get certificates which can be sold for actual financial benefits. So you get rewarded for actually doing those expenses apart from benefiting internally. Second, focusing on such energy compliances, environmental compliances, and bringing in efficiency increases your ESG rating, environmental and uh, sustainability governance. Okay, and this increases your investment rating, or you're more investable. And this is a very proficient phenomenon happening on a global front. So, in case if you're looking for global funding coming in from outside India or from very standardized authorities, I think ESG rating will play a very significant role, and we'll be happy to help you in both PAT and ESG along with government compliances. So just the features of the devices, all possible connectivities, 2G, 4G, 5G, Wi-Fi, um, LoRa and BRT. It can connect with anything and everything. It can also control, you can control valves, control relays. It has onboard storage to ensure zero data loss. Uh, and we follow very open source architecture, and the device is very small, as I showed. And on the software front, we provide complete device management of, consider it as your virtual control room. And this is visible from anywhere uh, and everywhere, right? And it has access control, it has hierarchy based control as well, to ensure that you can choose what you want to show to different level of people in your organization, as well as in case if you might want to show it to your vendors or to your customers to better show visibility. Okay, so we're currently active in 22 different use cases across energy, water, gas, safety, smart cities, smart factories, and a lot of our customers are automobile manufacturers and ancillary companies. So we will be looking forward to help you further into this journey. And we're currently present in India and globally as well. So again, we're a team of IIT Bombay alumni who've been into this since last 8 years. Thank you. I'll be more than happy to take questions.
Thank you so much, Mr. Visat. Thank you for all the details that you gave. We are now open for questions. So, if anyone from the participants or audience has any questions, this would be the right time to write them in the Q&A box. So, again, while they make up their minds and think of questions and queries for you, we spoke about the IoT implementations. How do you suggest we initiate these IoT implementations to achieve the best results for these SME MSMEs?
Okay, so see, for whatever you start, you first need to be confident that okay, this is what I want to achieve, and for having that, you will have to start with smaller targets. Okay, so I would suggest you can start with energy, at least energy on the overall level of your facilities by implementing a very simple energy management solution, which will start giving you an ROI. The ROI can be in a form of savings in your energy bills by 15 to 30%. Okay, and then gaining confidence and getting certain understanding define your further journey.
Right, right. Understood. Because
So,
with
Mr.
IoT,
Sir, I have one question.
oh
So,
yeah, go
Sure.
ahead. Go.
what a specific role you can play in the PAT scheme, as you mentioned in the slides previously?
Correct. So, see, while I was talking about PAT, I mentioned that you will have to keep a tab on your energy consumptions. You will have to create reports. Okay. Now, either you can go through a tedious process of manually collecting data and then going through the hassle of it. We can provide you a completely digitized solution wherein we'll install IoT devices across a facility, which will help you collect data in accordance with the format required in fact. Okay, will completely automatize the process. Along with that, the solution will, energy management solution will anyways help you reduce your bills. So this can be a part of your investment from a PAT perspective, at the same time a tool to enhance your process for PAT.